This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terry Thornton. Stunning open floor plan and harbor club on Lake Oconee with thoughtful details throughout. The spacious great room features a stone gas log fireplace and built-in entertainment center, providing the perfect setting for entertaining and relaxation. With natural sunlight, the main living area overlooks a screened-in porch, sun deck with hot tub and tranquil wooded backyard. The chef's kitchen is designed for functionality and style with large central island, gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and cozy window seat. A separate formal dining room offers additional space for gatherings. The main level primary suite has dual walk-in closets and bath with garden tub and separate shower. Upstairs, 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath, a spacious bonus room with versatile options. Hardwood floors, arched doorways, mud room, separate laundry room with sink and built-in pet home with doggie door highlight this home. Don't miss this opportunity to experience gated community living with golf, pickleball, tennis, swimming, walking trail and so much more. For more information,